Hey everyone, welcome to another interesting video in which I will be solving one system of linear equation in two variables by all the three methods: substitution, elimination, graphical method. This video will give you a good comparison between all the three methods. So let's get started. My set of equation is 2x plus 3y equals 12, x minus y equals 1. So that's my equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. We are going to use substitution method to solve for x and y. So as the name is telling you, substitution. So we are going to find out the value of either x or y from any of these equations, and then we will substitute that value in the another equation. Now, which value should I find, x or y? Totally, it depends on your choice. But from which equation? Equation number 1 or equation number 2? Again, depends on you. But I would say that it is easy to take out the value of either x or y when its coefficient is 1. That makes your work relatively easier. So if I look at equation number 1, the coefficient of x and y are 2 and 3 respectively. But in equation number 2, the coefficients of x and y are both 1. So I can easily take out the value of either x or y from second equation. So let's start it. My first equation is 2x plus 3y equals 12. My second equation is x minus y equals 1. From this second equation, I can take out x value as 1, and this minus y, when shifted on that side, will become plus y. So the expression for x comes out to be 1 plus y. Put this value of x in first equation. So 2x plus 3y equals 12. In place of x, I will be putting 1 plus y from here, plus 3y equals 12. Now, this is nothing but just a linear equation in the variable y. So let's solve for y. So here I will use a distributive property. 2 times 1, 2, plus 2 times y, 2y, plus 3y equals 12. This 2 shifted to that side, and 2y plus 3y will give me 5y equals 12 minus 2. So 5y is equal to 12 minus 2, 10. Divide by 5 on both the sides. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So y is equal to 2. Put this y equals 2 in this expression to get the value of x. So x is equal to 1 plus y, which is equal to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. So what is my solution? X3 and y2 is the solution for this given system of linear equations. So this is substitution method. Let's do the same question with the elimination method. Again, this is my equation number 1, this is my equation number 2. Elimination method, we eliminate the variable either x or y, and we make the coefficients of that variable equal, which we needs to be eliminated. So if I want to eliminate the x variable first, I will make the coefficient of x in both the equations same. If I want to eliminate y, I will make the coefficients of y variable same in both the equations. Let's write both the equations on this side. And this is x minus y equals 1. Now, if I want to eliminate y, I want to make their coefficient same. Here, the coefficient of y is 3. Here, the coefficient of y is just 1. How can I make this 1 as 3? Just multiply this equation with 3. So, my first equation stays the same. 2x plus 3y equals 12. Now, multiply this second equation with 3. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times y, 3y, 3 times 1, 3. And now I will add these equations. 2 plus 3, 5x, plus 3y minus 3y will give you 0, cancel, equals 12 plus 3, 15. See, we made the coefficients of y same and y variable or y term are eliminated. Now, this is nothing but a linear equation in x. So, divide by 5 on both the sides. 5 divided by 5, 1. So, x gives me 15 over 5, 3. So, x comes out to be 3. Put this x is equal to 3 in either of the equations to get the value of y. So x minus y is equal to 1. Put x as 3. 3 minus y is 1. Minus y is equal to 1. This plus 3 shifted over there will give me minus 3. So minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus minus cancel from both the sides. So y is equal to 2. So what is my solution? My solution is x3 and y is equal to 2 is the solution set for this given system of linear equations. Of course, our answer is same. We got the same answer in the substitution method as well. Lastly, let's do it by graphical method. In the graphical method, we draw the graphs of both these lines and we see that at what point the lines are intersecting. Now, my first equation is 2x plus 3y equals 12 and my second equation is x minus y is equal to 1. To find the points or the coordinates which we need to plot on the graph, the best and the easy way is the intercept method. Intercept method means we find x-intercept and we find y-intercept. Now, x-intercept means x-intercept occurs when y is 0. So in my table of values, I will put y as 0 and x-intercept means, sorry, y-intercept means x is 0. So I will put x as 0. Now you can do the calculations mentally or if you want to write, you can write also. If I put x as 0, so if I put x as 0 over here for this part, 2 times 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. 2 times 0 is 0. So 3y equals 12 means what is the value of y? It's 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So when x is 0, y is 4. What happened when y is 0? So put y as 0 now. I will just do it over here. 2x plus 3 times 0 is 0 equals 12. 2x equal 12 means x is 6. So x comes out to be 6. You can do these simple calculations mentally also, or you can write all these steps. So the points are ready to be plotted on the graph. But let's find the intercepts for this equation first. X minus y equals 1. So when x is 0, put this as 0. What will y come out to be? Minus 1. So y is minus 1. And put y as 0. So when I put y as 0, what is x? It's 1. So for this equation also, the points are ready. Now we are going to plot these points on the graph. Let's do that. So my first equation was 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 and my table of values was x0, y4 and then y0, x6. For my second equation, x minus y equals 1, x0, y was minus 1 and y0, x is 1. So let's put this one. X0, Y4. Where is X0? X is 0 on the y-axis and Y4 means this one. So this is the point which denotes 0, comma 4. Write the coordinates. X6, Y0. So X6 means on the x-axis you have X6 and of course Y is 0 on the x-axis. So my this point is 6, comma 0. Let's draw a line joining these 2 points. All right, little bit over here to join the points nicely. Where is it? Okay, over here, and this one is over here. Let's move this a little bit. Okay. All right, perfect. So this is the graph of first equation. 2x plus 3y equals 12. Let's do the same for the second equation. X0, y minus 1. Where is y minus 1? Over here and x is 0. So one of my point is this. And my next point is, if you want to write this point is 0, comma minus 1. Okay, my next point is x1, y0. Where is that? Over here. 1, comma 0. So let's draw a line which joins these 2 points. So we will insert a line and we will draw the line over here. Uh, let's little bit. Okay, perfect. So we got this second line for my equation of x minus y equals 1. Are these two lines intersecting? Of course they are. What point? This point, they are intersecting at this point. What is that point? If I drop a perpendicular, it's slightly over this side, but just because of this like positioning of the lines, but the point will fall on 3 of x axis and 2 of y axis. So 3 comma 2, x3 y2. So the solution is 3 comma 2. That means x3 and y equals 2 is the solution set for this given linear system of equations. So this was a good comparison between all the three methods where I solved a one single question by all elimination, substitution and graphical method. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I am going to do the graphical representation of three different types of linear systems like coincident lines, parallel lines, intersecting lines. Till then, thank you for watching. Keep practicing, keep simplifying. See you in the next one. Bye bye.